In this lesson, we will design a professional login interface using .NET Maui. This login page will serve as the entry point to our SalesTrack application. Our login page disables the default navigation bar to create a clean custom design. We also use a background image to enhance the visual appeal. We use vertical stack layout because it arranges elements vertically, making it perfect for forms like login screens. The logo strengthens branding and improves user trust. Even small visual details make a big difference in business applications. This entry control collects the username. The X name attribute allows us to access this field inside the code behind the file. Instead of using default borders, we use a box view to create a clean underline design. This gives a modern and minimal look. We wrap the password field and eye icon inside a horizontal layout so they appear side by side. This method toggles the password visibility. It improves usability and makes the login experience more professional. The login button is wrapped inside a frame to create rounded edges. The primary color is consistent with our branding. A professional UI should be simple, consistent, and clean. Avoid clutter and maintain consistent color usage. In future lessons, we will improve this UI by moving hard-coded values into global styles and making it more scalable. To build confidence, try modifying the primary color and adjusting spacing. Observe how small changes affect the overall UI. In this lesson, we designed a professional login interface and understood each UI element used in the layout.